Fountain of You is a musical comedy satire about women empowerment. It is a cross between Little Shop of Horrors and the movie The Substance. And it's a cautionary tale of what happens when we fight vehemently for something we believe and how little by little we lose perspective and turn into our own worst enemy.
Alexa, change the freaking channel!
I play Kristen Lee in AMDA's production of Fountain of You.
I was very scared at the beginning because it feels like playing two different people. You go from ingenue, Giselle in Enchanted, Disney princess type, and then you're just slowly getting a new arc.
Getting to work with such a amazing creative team, Igor, Brian, and Andreas, it's just been such a fun experience.
Age Cheddar?
So I'm playing a boy, but it's not like tuck your hair up, I'm pretending to be a boy, it's just like that masculine energy. So I'm wearing a lot of like pants and shirts, which is really fun.
Are you okay?
Kristen has a lot of like sparkly, bright, vibrant things, and then throughout the show she becomes more like muted. Everybody else's costumes also reflect that, so like the Essettes, they start in white, they move to light pink, and then by the end they're in burgundy, and then for the finale they're in black.
I'm trying to get into the mindset of my character, and she's very confident and egotistical, so I have to kind of tell myself, go out there and exude that. It's been amazing gluing the pieces together, and just seeing how it all comes together is really interesting.
This has been a fantastic experience for the students here at AMDA because this is an opportunity for them to work with the writers of a new show that's never been produced before. And with everyone on the team, when it comes to choreography, music, costumes, lighting, scenic elements, everyone is coming together and making decisions for the very first time for this show. It's not like it's a licensed show where everyone has a sense of how this thing lives on its feet. We have to start from scratch, and every step of the way is a question. So it's been really invaluable for these students to have this experience and to know what they're going to encounter when they graduate and go out into the real world.
The Fountain of You has comedy, wow factor, shock factor. There's going to be a lot of gasps and a lot of laughs. It's going to be great.